Now, another great thing is that obviously you are not risking with anything. You don't have to sign up for the course in university. You don't have to attend actual lectures and take notes, and you don't have to pay any fees. Welcome back, or welcome guys. Let's talk. Let's talk about Google certifications. Well, you already click on the thumbnail, you knew we're gonna talk about it. And there are loads of videos on YouTube promising that you can make certain amount of thousands of dollars per year if you obtain any of these Google certifications. Is that true? Is this gonna work for you? Is it really worth of your time? Well, let's just dive in and explore to find out. So first of all, let's just have a quick look what we are talking about on what is Google certifications and what you can learn with Google. So one of the URLs you can come is grow.google. Again, this site might look different based on your location. So I'm in United Kingdom, so I got this /Europe extension right here. Then when you scroll down, you can choose whether you are a business and you are looking for some help with your online business, or you looking to find a new job or learn a new skill. So if we click on learn a new skill, that's what we're going to be focusing on today's video, whether that's actually useful to learn any new skills with google.com. So if you scroll down here, the first one you can see it's a free digital marketing certification. So if you click on learn more, you can then read more about this particular course. So this is under URL learndigital.withgoogle.com. Again, you can learn fundamentals of digital marketing absolutely free right here. If you simply click on a start course, you can just create your account. You can use your Google account if you got one. And that's how you enroll and get started with this course. So when you do so and you would like to try, enter your actual details, because that we're gonna display then on the Google certificate, okay? Then you can set up your email preferences, agree to terms and conditions, and just continue. So from here, you can see that your learning progress will be tracked right here, the courses you have started, the ones you have completed. And from here, you can find the course or browse through the more popular ones, okay? So for example, how to get your business online, it will take you 3 hours of your time to learn something like this, okay? So that is not very long courses that will take you months and months to complete. This is a very compact information in one place. Okay, so from here you can find some courses and get started. Alternatively, there is another URL you can head to, and that's skillshop.withgoogle.com. And here you can also obtain several certifications. So if we click on get started, you can see the topics, and this is the place that you would most commonly see on other YouTube videos. They are talking about and suggesting that you should go for Google Ads, Google Analytics, and Google Ad Manager, because that's where you can get a job quickly. Now let's look on Google Ads. If you click on Google Ads, you can see you can get Google Ads a certification, and then you can even, extend it and get some more experience. And there are all sorts of modules you can learn here. If you click on the Google Ads certification, then you can see that again it will only take a couple of hours. So there's 2 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, okay? So it's nothing long and nothing very time consuming, and again, remember, it's absolutely free. So let's talk whether you should do it and whether that will gonna worth of your time. So there are a couple of things for you to bear in mind. Number one, do you have any experience at all whatsoever in any of these topics you would like to gain your certification? And if you don't have any experience at all, I would say yes, it will be worth of your time, simply because you will now then get to know whether that's something you would like to work with, whether that's something you could potentially use to make money online, whether that's something that you could potentially enjoy doing so. Okay, so if you don't have that experience, you will never know. So give it a go. If you do have some intermediate experience with Google Ads, I don't think you're gonna learn anything much new here. If you already have worked with the system, you know how it works. If you think you would like to update your skills and be up to the level of the latest one, of course this is a great resource again to look at. Now if you are going into Google certifications with the thought that you will gonna make hundreds and thousands of dollars in your first year once you get the certification done, that's probably not gonna happen, and then it's not worth of your time. If you are looking for some quick instant money online, there are other several ways how you can get that done. We have done tutorials on this channel as well. I will leave some links in this video description. So this is something that you would work more in a long term. So you go through these courses, get the certification. There are several ways how you can then get a job and start making money online with it. And again, we have done another video tutorial. I will leave a link in this video description. So if you dive in with the mindset that you are willing to learn, you are willing to work, and you are willing to spend some time, and you realize that it will take some time before you can make decent money with this certification you have obtained, it's definitely worth of your time. And that is absolutely true that you can make money with Google certification. However, it might not happen the day after you have gained your new certifications on these Google platforms. Now another great thing is that obviously you are not risking with anything. You don't have to sign up for the course in university, you don't have to attend actual lectures and take notes, and you don't have to pay any fees. So everything is absolutely free. You can learn whenever you want, at the pace that you want, and at the comfort of your own home. So regardless of how much time you have today or tomorrow, you can balance that out and assess the course and obtain the certification the way how it works for you. Now of course, if we compare Google certification with university degree, the degree will always hold more weight and will be always more valuable on your CV. However, in the fields like digital marketing, that's always not necessary. You can get the same job and you can perform well and show your skills by simply holding Google certification without any actual degrees. And again, it will go down how much willingness you are ready to put into your performance when you get these new jobs based on your Google certifications. If you do have any questions whatsoever, do let me know by typing them down below. If you would like to explore more any of these Google certifications or any other topics regarding of the courses and things that you can learn within the Google for free, also let me know. I would love to make another tutorial if you are interested in it. Now for more videos like this, do subscribe, and if you turn on your notifications, we are uploading new videos every single week and you will get notified and will be the first one to know. Thank you so much for watching. Now go ahead and watch this video as a next one, and I will see you there.